Give me 30 seconds and I'll give you an appliance that everyone should have in their home, particularly my viewers who have an irrigation system, or even if you water your lawn during overseeding or during the summer months when it's dry. Think about this for a second. Have you ever had a leaky toilet, slow drip in the sink, a water main line break, or a cracked pipe from winter cold? Imagine knowing instantly by just looking at your phone that that's going on. Put in a search on Facebook or other social media, and you'll find post after post of homeowners saying, I had no idea I had a water leak until I got the water bill for thousands of dollars. That usually happens because municipalities, as you know, don't physically read the water meter every month. They sometimes give you an average. So you can go for months without ever knowing the meter is running. For my audience specifically, this is important if you have an irrigation system, because you can't really monitor it out there unless you have a wet spot in your yard, or during overseeding when you're using a lot of water. This can keep costs under control. With a monitor like this, you can see exactly what's happening with your water use inside and outside your home without guessing. If there's one product I truly believe that should be standard in every home, it's a smart water monitor like the Frizzlife LP365. You still with me? Well, stick with this video. I'll tell you all about it. So let's get started. From anywhere you have cellular or Wi-Fi service, you'll know exactly what's going on with your home. If you have a pipe break, you'll get an alert. If you're traveling or see abnormal water flow, with a simple tap, the Frizzlife app, you can shut off the water instantly, saving your home, your belongings, and a massive water bill. That kind of control gives you real peace of mind when traveling. Now let me show you what comes in the box, how installation works, how I installed it in my home, and why this unit can easily pay for itself. On this channel, I feature professional, timely home lawn care advice from a former golf course superintendent. In our winter season, I review products that can help you with your lawn and home. So subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. I say that not just to increase my subscribers. I post videos on this channel throughout the year. Getting a notification will remind you of fertilization, weed, grub, fungal control you may be putting out, and other important practices to keep the best on the block. Like this video I'm posting it just prior to our spring lawn season and during extreme cold snap, where busted pipes can lead to leaks and expensive water bills. I time my videos to keep you informed of what you need to be doing to help you out, and that's what this channel is all about. When you open the box, you'll find the Frizzlife P365 Smart Water Monitor, two 3/4-inch male fittings, hose gasket, thread tape, and a USB power cord. Everything you need is included, which I appreciate. The unit itself is solid, well built, clearly designed for permanent installation, not something flimsy or temporary. The 365 comes with a 1-inch male fitting into the unit, which makes it easy to install on a standard water main lines. The Frizzlife also comes with a 3/4-inch male fittings for smaller pipes, which is exactly what I needed in my home. That flexibility means you're not making extra trips to the hardware store trying to piece things together. Here's a quick QR code to purchase the 365 for my television viewers, and I'll leave links in the description and pinned in the first comment for everyone else so you can purchase it there. As far as where I installed my 365, I put it in a water line that enters my home so it monitors everything. Every faucet, toilet, sink, appliance, irrigation line, and every joint in the house. The installation process was straightforward. I shut it off the main water line supplied, drained the line, I cut the main pipe using a standard pipe cutter. I installed two 3/4-inch male shark bite fittings on each side of the cut. Then I installed the 365 between those two fittings. I also installed a GFCI outlet to power the unit. That's it. No special tools, no advanced plumbing skills required. If you're comfortable with basic DIY projects, this is absolutely something you can handle. Once installed, everything runs through the Frizzlife app, and that is where the real value comes in. You can monitor real-time water flow, detect leaks immediately, track daily, monthly water usage, identify abnormal usage patterns, shut off the water remotely. Here's a real-world example. Let's say you're on vacation. You get notifications that the water is flowing when it shouldn't be. You open the app, see the leak, tap on the button, and the water shuts off immediately. No frantic phone calls to neighbors coming over to a flooded crawl space or a massive water bill waiting for you. Monitor irrigation leaks, see if a zone is stuck on, and make smart decisions about watering costs. This gives you real data instead of just guessing. This unit also that can pay for itself very quickly. Once a leak's detected, broken pipe. On top of that, own documented water usage data. If you ever need to challenge a water bill or water meter reading, you have timestamps and usage records from your own system. Also consider that prices per gallon of water keep on going up. More reason to empower yourself with a water meter controlled device of your very own. So you may be asking, how does it know when there's just a water leak or just water running for everyday use? This device works by monitoring water flow patterns in your home. Under normal everyday use like showering, doing laundry, running the dishwasher, water flow is constantly changing. Because the flow rate varies, the system recognizes that as normal usage and doesn't trigger an alert. However, during a water leak, the flow rate becomes steady and consistent. When this device detects the sustained unchanged flow over a period of time, it identifies it as a potential leak and sends you an alert. The system also uses AI learning to analyze both flow rate and total water volume. For example, a slow drip such as a leaky faucet may trigger an alert within 2 to 3 hours, while a higher flow situation like an open faucet or a broken pipe can be detected in as little as 20 to 30 minutes. The higher flow rate, the faster the alert is triggered. For users who want even more control, advanced mode allows you to manually define what water volume and duration that will trigger an alarm, providing you added flexibility and accuracy. You can use the app to turn on preset settings based on the number of people in your home, or use the advanced settings where you can totally customize the maximum flow over a period of time. You are in total control of the water usage in your home. Between peace of mind, the potential cost savings, and the protection for your home, the control you have while traveling, I truly believe this is a really good move for anybody and should be standard in every home, especially for homeowners who irrigate, travel, and want to avoid expensive surprises. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. More of my review videos about home products, travel. If you want to check out my review channel, Reviews for a Better Life, go over there. Here's a video for it. And hey, thanks for watching.